सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम नमः पाणिनिकात्यायन पतंजलिभ्यः शब्द विद्या संप्रदाय कर्तृभ्यो वंश ऋषिभ्यो महद्भ्यो मुनिभ्यो गुरुभ्यः नमस्कारः। स्वागतम्। तत्र कक्षा वर्तते 50-उत्तर-350तमी 350th क्लास टुडे। 16 दिनांकः अक्टोबर् मासस्य। वयं वस्तुतः एतस्य विदुरनीति शतकपुस्तकस्य अन्ते वर्तामहे। इदानीं केवलम् एक पञ्चकं शेषं वर्तते। 5 श्लोकाः शेषाः वर्तन्ते। 5 श्लोकाः सन्ति समापयितुम् एतत् पुस्तकं। नो एकमेव। ओ पञ्चकद्वयं तत्र पञ्चकद्वयं। साधु। तत्र गतकक्षायां किं पठितं श्रीनिवास? लोकरञ्जकः इति कश्चन शीर्षम् आसीत्। अधुना 90तमः श्लोकः वर्तते। 90तमः श्लोकः तत्र शीर्षम् एवमस्ति, अनृत साक्ष्यफलम्। अनृतसाक्ष्यस्य कीदृशं फलं भवेत् इति तत्र पठामः। श्लोकं पठ्यताम्। ओ एकः शेषः वर्तते। सम्बद्धश्लोकेषु एकः शेषः अस्ति। 4 सन्ति वस्तुतः। क्षम्यतां विस्मृतं मया। एतद् पठ्यतां पद्यं। सत्यं शौर्यं मुक्तो
महीपालः प्राप्नोति खलु वाच्यताम्।
हितोपदेश विग्रह। सन्धयः पदच्छेदं। दया त्यागः नृपस्य महागुणाः एभिः मुक्तः महीपालः प्राप्नोति। सो फ्यू प्लेसेस त्यागः नृपस्य प्लस एति वृद्धि संधि नृपस्येति एभिः मुक्तः। बोथ प्लेसेस इट इज विसर्ग संधि। एभिः मुक्तः महीपालः प्राप्नोति खलु वाच्यताम्। नौ महागुणाः तत्र नृपस्य राज्ञः महीपालस्य भूपालस्य एते महागुणाः सन्ति। के महागुणाः तत्र वर्णिताः अस्मिन् श्लोके? सत्यमिति एकः गुणः, शौर्यमिति अन्यः गुणः, दया इति तृतीयः गुणः, त्यागः इति अन्यः गुणः। नृपस्य एते महागुणाः। एवं तत्र गुणचतुष्टयं वर्णितमस्ति। 4 गुणाः वर्णिताः सन्ति अत्र। सत्यं शौर्यं दया त्यागः। नृपस्य एते महागुणाः। एते महागुणाः न लघुगुणाः, महागुणाः, स्वल्पगुणाः न, महान्तः गुणाः एते। नृपस्य विषये सत्यं भवेत्, नृपः सत्यवान् भवेत्, शौर्यवान् भवेत्, नृपः दयावान् भवेत्, नृपः त्यागशीलः अपि भवेत्। एते 4 अपि महागुणाः। येभिः मुक्तः, येभिः 4 गुणैः मुक्तः च्युतः राजा नृपः यदि भवति। इफ द किंग इज bereft without these 4, येभिः नाम with these एतैः उपरि वर्णितैः 4 गुणैः मुक्तः रहितः। मुक्तः नाम रहितः। इफ द किंग इज विदाउट these 4 qualities, सत्य ट्रुथ, शौर्य वैलर, दया compassion, त्यागा charity, if the king is without these, relieved of these, muktah means if he is relieved of these, if he is without etaihi gunaihi rahitah यदि राजा भवेत् महीपालः, तर्हि किं भवति? स महीपालः वाच्यतां खलु प्राप्नोति, निन्दां प्राप्नोति। स राजा निन्दां प्राप्नोति। वाच्यतां नाम निन्दां प्राप्नोति, अकीर्तिं प्राप्नोति। kada एभिः एतैः गुणैः मुक्तः यदि भवति वियुक्तः यदि भवति युक्तः भवति चेत् समस्या न वर्तते तत्र युक्तः यदि एभिः गुणैः युक्तः यावत् कालं राजा युक्तः भवति तावत् कालं स शंसनीयः भवति परन्तु यदि मुक्तः भवति एभिः एतैः सः वाच्यतां खलु प्राप्नोति he will get unpopular. So king should have these great qualities. वाच्यतां नाम निन्दां प्राप्नोति अधिगच्छति इति. So एवं चत्वारः सम्बद्धश्लोकाः समाप्ताः श्रीनिवास. अत्र व्याकरणांशाः सत्यं नपुंसकलिङ्गं शौर्यं दया इति स्त्रीलिङ्गशब्दः दया आकारान्त स्त्रीलिङ्गशब्दः त्यागः इति पुल्लिङ्गशब्दः नृपस्य एते महागुणाः गुणशब्दः पुल्लिङ्गशब्दः अस्ति इति एतत् शब्दस्य प्रयोगे अपि तत्र पुल्लिङ्गः अस्ति एषः एतौ एते यू नो दट् न डेरिवेशन ऑफ दिस प्रोनाउन एतद् एषः एतौ एते न नपुंसक शौर्यं सत्यं शौर्यं दया इज स्त्रीलिंग त्याग इज पुल्लिंग नृपस्य एते महागुणाः दीज आर द ग्रेट क्वालिटीज ऑफ ए किंग एभिः मुक्तः released of these divested of these we say divested of these qualities महीपालः नृपः राजा वाच्यतां खलु प्राप्नोति निन्दां प्राप्नोति. सो 90तमः श्लोकः
अमृत साक्ष्यफलं श्लोकः नगरे प्रतिरुद्धः सन्
बहिर्द्वारे बुभुक्षितः
अमित्रान् भूयसः पश्येद् यः साक्ष्यममृतं वदेत्.
पदच्छेद
नगरे प्रतिरुद्धः सन् बहिः द्वारे बुभुक्षितः अमित्रान् भूयसः पश्येत् यः साक्ष्यम्
अमृतं वदेत्. अन्वयार्थं
यः अमृतं साक्ष्यं वदेत् सः नगरे प्रतिरुद्धः सन् बहिः द्वारे बुभुक्षितः भूयसः अमित्रान् पश्येत्
इति तत्र एकमेव वाक्यरूपेण तत्र अन्वयः वर्तते. यः राजा अथवा यः साक्षी यः पुरुषः अनृतं साक्ष्यं वदेत् a person that person who gives a false evidence witness अनृतं साक्ष्यम these are all about the sakshi witnesses. One who gives a false evidence or witness vadet saha purushaha nagare pratiruddha san that person will be pratiruddha san bahihi dware bubukshita he will be obstructed his movement will be obstructed in the city nagare pratiruddha bahihi dware and at the outside the city also he will be bubukshitah lying very hungry bhuyasaha amitran pashyat he will find many enemies multitude of enemies bhuyasaha amitran pashyat he will encounter many enemies having given false evidence. So that is the literal meaning here. Yaha asatyam saksham vadati simple saha purushah nagarat bahishkrutah san. Oh bhavartha you I am reading read bhavartha.
Yaha asatyam saksham vadati saha nagarat bahishkrutah san nagara pravesha dware tishtan bubukshaya piditah shatrubhihi samavrutascha bhavet.
यह अमृतम साक्ष्यम वदेत तस्य किं भवति सः पुरुषः नगरात् बहिष्कृतः सन् बीइंग व्हाट यू से बहिष्कृतः मीन्स आउट देयर इज अ वर्ड in your translation nagarat bahishkruta means one who is been banned one who is been banned from the city not even banned there is one word excommunicated. He will be excommunicated from the city. Son, Nagara Pravesha Dware, at the entrance of the city, Tishtan, standing there, Bhubukshaya, with hunger, Bhubukshitah, bhukshitah, bhubukshaya, piditah. So he will be tortured, suffering from hunger. Shatruvihi samavrutah bhavet, and he will be encountering many, many enemies because of giving false evidence, false witness. Such a fellow will be encountering many enemies. Now here, Srinivas, one word bhuyasaha is there. That is a visheshana. Bhuyas shabda. Bhuyas. Bhuyan in Pullinga, this is an adjective for Amitran, Shatrun. Amitran, Shatrun. Na mitram vartate yasya sa amitraha. One who has no friend is enemy. So Amitran is the noun for which this adjective is qualifying. Bhuyan, bhuyamsau, bhuyamsah. Derivation is like this, Srinivas. Bhuyas shabdana, bhuyan, pullinga. Bhuyamsau, bhuyamsaha. Bhuyamsam, bhuyamsau, bhuyasaha. Dvitiya bahuvachana. This is Dvitiya bahuvachana going with amitran, which you can understand in Dvitiya bahuvachana. So bhuyasaha means bahun. In other words, bahun amitran, bahun shatrun. This is bhuyasa adjective, and in Strilinga it becomes bhuyasi, like nadi. Bhuyasi, bhuyasyau, bhuyasyaha. Much more in that sense. Bhuyaha, bhuyasi, bhuyamsi in Napumsakalinga. So that is one thing. Pratiruddaha means obstructed. Nishiddhaha. Pratiruddaha nama Nishiddhaha. Nagare pratiruddaha san. Nagaradvare vahi. Bhubhukshitaha means bhubhukshaya piditaha. Bhubhukshita is an adjectival form like bhubhukshita. One who is. What is that? Sabha? Samavrutaha. That is also Tanta actually. Samavrutaha, surrounded. Shatrubihi, amitraihi samavrutaha. Parivrutaha. Samavrutaha nama parivrutaha. Avrutaha, parivrutaha. Parivrutaha is better. Samavrutaha, parivrutaha. So that main sloka is meaning that false evidence giver will be suffering from hunger and he will encounter many, he will be surrounded by many enemies. Sambandha sloka ekam patat.
Pancha pashvan rute hanti dasha hanti gavan rute shatamashvan rute hanti sahasram parushan rute.
Now this is from Manusmriti. Relate. So what will be the impact? What will be the impact of false evidence? What happens if a person gives false evidence? How many people will he be losing? Anruta sakshya pradane कीदृश तत्र परिणाम भवति इति तत्र वर्णिताः एतेषु श्लोकेषु पंच पशु पदच्छेद इफ यू कैन ट्राई पशु अनृते पशु प्लस अनृते पश्वनृते व्हाट संधि पशु प्लस अनृते पश्वनृते गणादिश संधि यू आर राइट हंति Okay, dasha hanti gava plus anrute. This is savarna. Gava plus anrute. Gavam vishaye anrute. Next, shatam ashva plus anrute. That is also savarna. Shatam ashva plus anrute. Hanti sahasram purushan purusha anrute. Sahasram Purusha Anruti. Okay? Okay. Now what is the loss here? You may ask, what if person gives false evidence. Pancha pashu anruti. Pashunam vishaye anruta kathanena pancha janan hanti. He will be killing his 5 people. If a man gives false witness evidence in the case of the pashu, Pashunam vishaye yedi asatyam saksham kaschid vadati tarhi sa purushaha tasya pancha janan hanti. He will be killing his 5 people. If one lies or gives false evidence in the case of animals. Now pancha hanti is there na, that what is implied is naran hanti. Not animals here. He will be killing his own people. 5 people will be killed. Okay? That is implied. Then hanti is commonly used everywhere. Hanadhatu, you know, hanti hataha gnanti. We have studied hanti hataha gnanti. Bahuvachan is gnanti. Hanmi, hanvaha, anmaha in Uttama Purusha, but third person is mostly used here. Next, dashahanti pancha janan marayati. Saha purushaha pancha janan tasya pancha janan marayati yaha asatyam saksham pashu vishaye vadati. Pashu vishaye asatya kathanena pancha janan marayati. Now, dasha janan marayati hanti. Kada gavam anruti. Gavam vishaye anruti. In telling, in giving false evidence in the case of the cows. If one gives a false evidence in the case of the cows, then he will be losing 10 people. He will be killing 10 people.
What is the meaning of pashu? He uses pashu.
Pashu, any other animal. You can say goat. Goat is there. Buffalo can be put here. Any other thing. But special animal is go shabda. That is why here. Go is separated here. Gavam anruti. Gavanruti dashahanti. He kills his 10 people. Next. Shatam ashva anruti. Ashvanam vishaye anruta kathanena shatam janan saha hanti. He kills 100 people if he lies in case of horses. Then sahasram purusha anrute. If somebody see the increasing of the loss. Purusha vishaye yadi anrutam vadet sahasram. He will be losing, killing 1,000 people. So the poem emphasizes more that if you lie in case of human beings, you will lose 1,000 people. If you lie, give a false evidence in the case of Ashwa, you will lose 100. In the case of cow, 10. In the case of any other animal, it is 5 people you will be losing. So don't ever try to give false evidence. Kadapi asatya anruta saksham ma diyatam na diyatam iti tatra. Is it okay?
Yes. Second one. Hanti jata najatamscha hiranya.
Now you said pashu can be cattle also. Cattle. Next, yeah.
Hanti jata najatamscha hiranyarthenrutam vadan sarvam bhumyanrute hanti masma bhuyanrutam vadehe.
Both ways it is there. So, hanti padachedam.
Yeah. Hanti jatan ajatan
Cha.
Hiranyarthe
Anrutam vadan. Sarvam bhumi anrute. Bhumi plus anrute hanti.
Masma bhumi anrutam vadehe.
Okay. Now this poem here, again verb is same Srinivas here. Hanti jatan ajatan cha. hanti. Jatan plus ajatan means living and those who are about to be born also. Jata means born. Ajatan who are yet to be born. Hanti, man kills the living and also the people who are about to be taking birth. Ajatan. Cha hanti hiranyarte amrutam vadan. Here Vidura says hiranyarte. If somebody is giving false evidence in the case of the gold, he will be not only killing but those people who are about to be born also he will be killing. Well, lot of it sounds very, but yes, hanti jatan plus ajatan. Srinivas, jatan ajatan hiranya arte, hiranyasya arte, for the sake of gold, suvarnasya arte, anrutam vadan, while speaking, vadan shatru, while speaking, while giving false evidence in the case of the gold, hiranyasya Anruta kathane vadane jatan ajatamscha ajatancha hanti purushaha. Hiranyasya arte hiranyarte anrutam vadan purushaha jatan ajatancha hanti. That is clear. Now next line. Bhumi bhumi anrute bhumyaha anrute vadan. If you take that vadan also here, while speaking, giving false evidence in the case of the earth, bhumi, bhumyaha, bhumehe, anrutasya kathane, anrute, sarvam hanti. He loses everything, he kills everything. But how the present day, this is the most heinous crime then. Bhumye anrute sarvam hanti. And therefore he says, Bhumye anrutam masma vadehe. Therefore Vidura says, Bhumye anrutam masma vadehe. Never you tell lie with regard to the earth. But everybody is doing the same now. So the last line is, Bhumye anrutam ma sma vadehe. Never. This ma is used, as an, we have already explained that. Avya used. So masma vade, never you lie in the case of this bhumi. That is potential, na? Vadehe, vadati, vadataha vadanti, vadet, vadetam, vadeyuhu, vadehe. Potential mode. Vidiling the second person. Vadehe, vadetam, vadeta, vadeyam, vadeva, vadema. Aham kim vadeyam, what should I speak? Tvam kim vadehe, what should you speak? Masma vadehe, one should not speak. You should not speak. So he is directly telling the Dhritarashtra here, you should not speak, my brother, with regard to Bhumi. Why is he emphasizing here? We got the point here. Because the Kauravas were bent upon not giving even 5 villages to land. So one who lies, gives false evidence in the case of the Bhumi, everything sarvam nastam, sarvam hanti. So that is what happened. So all these things to impress upon the brother king, not to deny his cousins the right for land. Srinivas. Anything more here? So sandhis you have broken. Yeah. Next.
Nagno mundaha kapalena
Viksharthi Shud Pipasitaha
Andaha Shatrukulam Gachedyaha Sakshamamrutam Vadet. Manusmriti again.
Nagnaha
Mundaha Kapalena Viksharthi
Shud Pipasitaha
Shud plus Pipasitaha Andaha Shatrukulam
Gachet Yaha Sakshyam Anrutam Vadet. Yaha Sakshyam Anrutam Vadet, one who gives false evidence. Yaha Purushaha Sakshyam Anrutam. Anrutam saksham vadit. Anrutam is adjective here. Yaha anrutam asatyam saksham vadit. One who speaks, gives false evidence. Nagnaha, he will become a naked person. Nagnaha. Mundaha, he will be transferred. Kapalena bhiksharti, he will be begging with a kapala, with a skull. You know, in India, there are kapalikas. There was a sect long back in India, kapalikas and kalamukas. These two sects were banned sects in India. They are the people who eat, their eating bowls are the human skulls. They eat in the skull. Kapalikas and kalamukas. Forbidden sects. Maybe they are thriving now, we don't know, but kapalikas are the people. Kapala. Kapala is the base. Kapala means the skull. What is called potsherd in English, potsherd. So, that fellow who lies, gives a lie here, false evidence, will become naked, transferred, will be begging with a kapala. Kshut pipasitaha, being hungry with, being stricken with kshut. And kshut means bubuksha piditaha, pipasitaha. Pipasa, tatra, pipasa arditaha. So he will be troubled with hunger and thirst. Hungry and thirsty. Kshut pipasitaha. Then andaha, he will become blind also in course of time. Shatrukulam gachet, and he will go to the family of the enemies. Shatrukulam gachet, that means he will join the family of the enemies. Who? A fellow gives false evidence, he will join the family of enemies. Shatrukulam gachet, yaha saksham, anrutam saksham vadit. So, they have laid lot of emphasis here, moral, and given threatenings also, that you will be like this if you speak, give false evidence. Rest is very simple, as you know. Sorry.
कूटसाधनकारी दण्ड्यः कार्यानुरूपतः द्विगुणं कटसाक्षी तु साक्ष्यलोपी तथैव च. शुक्लनीति पदच्छेदः.
Yeah, do it.
कूटसाधनकारी
No, that is one word.
दण्ड्यः कार्यानुरूपतः.
अनुरूपतः.
द्विगुणं कूटसाक्षी तु साक्ष्यलोपी तथा एव च.
कूट sadhanakari, one who makes a deceit or fraud, one who is a fraudster. Kuta sadhanakari means fraudster. Kuta nama atra deceit, fraud. Chalakarta. Kuta sadhanakari tu dandyaha. He says dandyaha. A fellow who makes false, commits fraud should be dandya, punished. A fraudster must be punished. Kuta sadhanakari dandyaha. Dandanaraha. Dandyaha nama dandanaraha. Danditavyaha. Karyanurupataha. How should he be punished? Karya anurupataha. Karyam anusrutya. Kidrusham akaryam krutam tena. Tat karyam anusrutya eva. Karyanurupataha. As depending upon the act he has done, he should be punished. A fraudster must be punished, no doubt. But how? According to the degree of fraud. कार्यानु अनुरूपतः कार्य प्लस अनुरूपतः कार्यानुरूपतः द्विगुणम कूटसाक्षी तु but द्विगुणम double 2 times more कूटसाक्षी one who gives evidence false evidence here. See, first Kuta sadhana karya means one who prepares fraud. He should be punished. But one who gives false fraud, evidence here, Kuta sakshi, false witness, you can say, Srinivas?
Yes, sir.
Sakshalopi, and one who sakshi alopi. Sakshya lopi, sakshi plus alopi here. This is sandhi also is there, Srinivas. Sakshi plus alopi, sakshya lopi. A person who injures or harms the evidence, sakshya lopi means. Understand? There are so many things happening now. Sakshi alopi, one who injures, harms the sakshi, witness. Like in the modern day, if somebody is prepared to be a witness, he will not be allowed to live. He will be terminated somewhere on the way, like we see in our movies. The witness, person who wants to give witness, has to be more carefully protected by the police. Because the other party, they cannot see somebody giving evidence. So, sakshya lopi tataivacha. So, one who injures the witness, sakshya lopi, one who injures the witness should also be punished doubly. Dvigunam, so 2 people should be doubly punished, Srinivas. Kuta sakshi, one who gives false evidence, fraud evidence, and sakshya lopi, one who is, removing the evidence or injuring the evidence, one who injures or harms the evidence, both these fellows. Tataiva. Similarly, this dvigunam dandyau, dvigunam dandyaha, they should be punished doubly. Is it okay? Just check up. So in the first line he says, one who prepares fraud must be punished according to his preparation, according to act. In the second line, doubly vigunam dandyau, dvau purushau, ekaha kuta sakshi, anyaha sakshya lopi, one who is destroying these evidence, destroyer of evidence. Excuse me. And the last one, sir.
न ब्रूयादमृतं साक्ष्यं कृतं साक्ष्यं न लोपयेत् प्राणात्ययेनमृतं
ब्रूयात् सुमहत् कार्य साधने.
न ब्रूयात् अमृतं साक्ष्यं कृतं साक्ष्यं न लोपयेत्
प्राण अत्यये
अमृतं ब्रूयात्
सुमहत कार्य साधने. कार्य साधने. Again, this is from the same Shukra Niti source. Na bruyat anrutam sakshyam. Firstly, anrutam sakshyam na bruyat na vadet. Bru, to speak. Bruyat vadet. Iti vidiling prayoga. Anrutam asatyam sakshyam na bruyat na vadit. One should not speak in the first instance, one should not give false evidence. Krutam sakshyam na lopayet. Then, secondly, if you have already given some evidence, you should not allow it to destroy. Krutam sakshyam. पूर्वमेव साक्ष्यं कृतं दत्तम अस्ति. साक्ष्यं दत्तं साक्ष्यं कृतम अस्ति. तादृशं कृतं साक्ष्यं न लोपयेत् न नाशयेत्. Lopayet means you should not make it disappear. So first there are cases, first they give some evidence and then they say, no, that is not available now. The witness is not available. So one should not give false witness in the first instance, having given krutam saksham na lopayet, na nashayet. You should not destroy it. Then next line. Prana atyaye, even at the cost of your life. Prana tyage. Prana atyaye means prana tyage. Anrutam. Pranatyaye anrutam bruyat. Sumahat karya sadhane. So he says, this is very fine, Srinivas. Pranatyaye anrutam bruyat. When it comes to your life, Srinivas, when it comes to your life threatening, when your life is being threatened, you can speak lies. See, prana atyaye. Pranatyage. When it comes to atyaya means your termination. Pranatyaye anrutam bruyat. One can speak, one is allowed to speak false in order to save his skin. There is one more, I must have told you. We have studied several times, I quote that. Satyam bruyat, priyam bruyat, na bruyat, satyam apriyam. Oh, that is different. Oh no, another place. Atmanam satatam rakshet. We must have studied Srinivas this. Dhanam rakshet, dharan rakshet. There is one poem, not clicking. Do you remember? You should protect money, no doubt. But you should protect a wife at the cost of money. Dhanam rakshet, dharan rakshet, dhanairapi. Dhanam rakshet, apadartham, now I got it. Apadartham dhanam rakshet. Srinivas, listen to this. Apadartham dhanam rakshet. One should protect money against some apada, some calamity. Right? This is the niti. Apadartham dhanam rakshet. Money is required for any emergency, apada. So you should save money against some calamity. Okay? Dharan rakshet, next say dharan rakshet dhanairapi. You should protect your wife even at the cost of your money. Dhara shabda. Dhara is nitya bahuvachana shabda. Dharaha dhara, dharan. Dharan rakshet dhanairapi. You should protect. Money is dear to everybody. You should protect money in the event for any unforeseen event. Then, dharan rakshet, one should protect his wife. Bharyam rakshet, dhanairapi, even at the cost of money. Atmanam satatam rakshet. Next step, you should protect yourself at any cost. Dhanairapi, dharairapi, even at the cost of money and your wife. So that is what here this line says. What is Shukra Niti saying? That same thing. Atmanam satatam rakshet. You should protect yourself. Some people may not agree with this. They say he is selfish fellow. He is letting his wife and children die and he is protecting himself. They may say, but that reading should not be taken here. Self is important. When it comes to self, you should protect yourself at the cost of money and also wife. That means not that you are wanting their destruction, but money is dear to you, wife is also dear to you, but even then yourself is more dear to you. So you are more important to yourself, therefore protect yourself. That is what. So that is why when somebody is about to offend you, in law I think that is there, I am not a lawyer or a policeman to tell you, but when somebody is about to kill you, in defense you can kill him. Self-defense you can kill him. But that has to be later proved in the court of law that you killed only, not intentionally, but like. So here, pranatyaye anrutam bruyat. When it comes to life threatening, you should speak anruta, and also Sumahat karya sadhane, and also you should utter lie for attaining some great karya. See, wonderfully it is said. Sumahat karya sadhane. Sumahat karya sadhane api anrutam bruyat. One can speak false, give false evidence for a bigger cause, for a bigger social cause. What happens? Because a small lie can save so much. So when it comes to your self-protection and also for a big social cause, one can lie. One can give false evidence, no doubt. That is what Shukraniti says here, Srinivas. Nice. So that is why like Mahabharata, Ashwathamaha hataha. Then slowly said Kunjaraha. That is the policy. So for a bigger cause, lying is allowed. So got this sloka?
Yes.
Yeah. And then one quotation is coming here.
Tatra satyam bruvan sakshi dharmarthabhyam na hiyate manusmriti.
This is second line is given, first line is missing here. Samaksha darshanat saksham sravanat chaiva siddhyati. I noted here. Tatra satyam bruvan sakshi dharmarthabhyam na hiyate. See, first line is not there, Srinivas. Samaksha darshanat saksham sravanat chaiva siddhyati. Samaksha darshanat saksham sravanat. Evidence in accordance with what has been seen or heard. Evidence is in accordance with what is seen and heard. Hearing is evidence, seeing is also evidence. Is admissible in court of law. That line is not there. Samaksha darshanat saksham sravanat chaiva siddhyati. Saksham sravanat siddhyati. Sravanat. That line is not there, I am quoting. Saksham sravanat siddhyati. Samaksha darshanat also. Directly seeing and also listening. Saksham, evidence is admissible in court of law. Seeing and hearing. So, tatra, a witness in the court, imagine, tatra satyam bruvan sakshi. In this matter, sakshi, the evidence is speaking the truth, dharmarthabhyam na hiyati. He will not be divested of his dharma and artha. He will not be losing anything. If he has witnessed something and heard something and giving evidence to that effect. A man who gives evidence, having seen or having heard, he will not lose his dharma, he will not lose his artha. He is not going to lose anything. That is what the second line says. Tatra, a witness who speaks in such cases, satyam bruvan, speaking the truth, neither he loses dharma nor artha. That means a witness will not lose anything, but we can't say. He may lose his life also, sometimes. Is it okay?
Yes.
So, evam etat panchakam samaptam. Abhyasaha vartate seshaha sloka sankhya. Okay, we'll do as many as we can. Vittasthanani pureta very quickly. Yaha atmavan ashritebhyaha dash alpam bhunkte. What comes here? Dash samvibhajya. No, here dash is there na. Yaha atmavan ashritebhyaha samvibhajya alpam. Mitam is replaced by alpam here. Doesn't matter. So we have to only fill in the blanks now.
Okay.
Samvibhajya, take from that first line. Alpam bhumte, amitam karma krutva. What comes here? Mitam swapiti, yachita hasan, being requested, amitrebhyah api dadati. So that is the 4 fillings are there, Srinivas. I repeat here.
One more is last.
Oh, one more is there.
Anarthahatam atmavantam.
Tam atmavantam anarthaha prajahati. Anarthaha, yes. Anarthaha prajahati. First one we will repeat. First blank, please fill up as Sam Vibhajya. You can look up to this sloka also. Those who are monitoring, having the books. Alpam dash bhunkte, amitam karma krutva dash mitam swapiti. That is there. Yachitah san dash amitrebhyah api dadati anarthahatam atmavantam. Okay, anarthaha already given, so prajahati. Take the verb. Prajahati dash prajahati. Anarthahatam atmavantam prajahati. All this you can find in the poem 86. Second one. Gnatim. First dash is Gnatim, second is Daridram, Deenam, Aturam, Anugruknati. So 4 blanks to be filled up like this. Gnatim, Daridram, Deenam, Aturam. Saha Putra Pashubihi dash Vruddhim. Sa Putra Pashubihi Vruddhim dash, you fill. Anantyam Sreyacha, verb you take the last verb in the poem, Asnuti. Anantyam Sreyacha Asnuti. So I repeat here. Yaha, 4 blanks are there. Fill up Gnatim, Daridram, Deenam, Aturam, Anugruknati. Second line. Vruddhim, and last blank is Asnuti. Third one. Yatha Shatpadaha Pushpani. So fill the verb Shatrupatiyanta Rakshan. Rakshan. Yatha Shatpadaha Pushpani Rakshan Madhu Samadhati. Madhu Samadhati. Tadvad Avihimsaya Arthan Adadyat. Adadyat. That verb. This is also verb, Srinivas. Where is Adadyat? Third line, yeah. Last, yeah. So Rakshan, Samadhate, Adadyat. These are the 3 fillings in the third poem. Fourth poem. Yaha Raja, Chakshusha, Manasa, dash, Manasa, Vacha, dash, Karmana, Chaturvidham Lokam Prasadayati, dash Prasadayati. Lokahatam Anuprasidati. I repeat the only blanks. Manasa, Karmana, Prasadayati, Anuprasidati. Very simple. Last one. Yaha Anrutam Saksham Vadet. Verb you have to fill up. Vadet Saha Nagare Pratiruddhaha Bahihi Dwar etc. Bhuyasaha Amitran. Bhuyasaha Amitran Pashyat. Very simple. Vadet Pashyat. Amitran. And second, Ekena Padina Uttaram. Raja Yachita Hasan, the king being asked, Kebhyaha Dhanam Dadyat. Kebhyaha Dhanam Dadyat. Whom should he give the money? The king being asked, whom should he give? Amitrebhyaha. So Kebhyaha is Chaturthi Bahuvachana Kasmai Kabhyam Kebhyaha. The answer is supposed to be bound to be in Chaturthi Bahuvachana as Amitrebhyaha. Amitraya, Amitrabhyam, Amitri. So remove Kebhyaha, put Amitrebhyaha. Raja Yachita Hasan, Amitrebhyaha nama Shatrubhyaha. Shatrubhyaha dhanam dadyat. Second. Kam Paritya. Whom do the calamities leave? Yeah. Parityajanti. Anarthaha kam purusham naram parityajanti. Which person do the, what do you call, calamities leave? Atmavantam, Srinivas. A person who has total control over himself. Atmavantam. This is there in First poem only, 86th poem. Tam atmavantam prajahati anarthaha is there. So anarthaha, come whom, come means whom, atmavantam prajahati. So prajahati verb is also substituted here. Prajahati, parityajant. Third one.
Daridram dinam bandham
Upakaroti saha.
Idrusham shreyaham abhati.
The one who helps a poor and sad relative, what type of shreyas does he get?
Anantyam.
Anantyam, that's right. So Kidrusham should be replaced by Anantyam. Shreyas shabda is Napumsaka. That is why Anantyam, Kidrusham, these words are in Napumsakalinga. Yeah, 4.
Brahmaram paryayaha.
Bhramara paryayaha kaha shabdaha. What is this synonymous word used for Bhramara? No. Kaha, you take out kaha, shat padaha, shat padaha. Shat pada. Bhramara paryaya shabdaha, shat padaha prayukta. Six-legged. Shat padaha santi, asya santi shat padaha. Sorry, fifth one. Bhramaraha. What does the bee take while protecting the flowers? Kim, answer should be given Madhu. Bhramaraha pushpani rakshan madhu gruknati. It takes the honey. 6.
Prasannaha lokaha kam
Anuprasidati. Prasannaha lokam should be replaced with actually you have to take the he king only na, so we can take Rajanam, Nrupam, Bhupalam, that is not there anywhere, but you have to. Prasannaha loka, if you come here, I will show you. In the first number 1 exercise, Srinivas, Yaha Raja Chakshusha Manasa Vacha Karmana cha Chaturvidham Lokam Prasadayati Lokaha tam Anuprasidati is there na?
Yes, sir.
So a king who pleases his subjects, they please him in turn. So here, Prasannaha Lokaha means people, happy people. Whom do the happy people please? The king. Come should be replaced by so Rajanam. Or Nrupam. If you take Nrupa Shabda, Nrupam. Bhupalam. And the last one. Vanya. What is the word used here in the sense of Vanya? Yeah, Vacha. Vak Shabda. Vak, Vacha, Vacha. Vacham, Vacha, Vacha. Vanya is Ikaranta Strilinga Shabda. Trutiya. Vacha is Chakaranta. So here Dutiya Samapta. We can do one more?
Yeah.
Yathochitam Sandhim Sandhi. It's a simple one. Yeah, I can do it.
Samvibhajya plus
Ashritibhyaha. Savanadila Sandhi. Samvibhajya Ashritibhyaha. 2.
Swapiti
Amitam. Swapiti Amitam. Swapityamitam. This is Yan Sandhi. Yanadisha Sandhi. 3rd.
Dadati
Amitreshu Api. Dadati plus Amitreshu. This is Yanadisha Sandhi. Dadati Amitreshu Api. In both ways Yanadisha Sandhi. First Yanadisha Sandhi followed by preceding and following. So Dadati Amitreshu. If you want, you can break there. Amitreshu plus Api. 4.
Prajahati
Anartha. Prajahati. This is also Yanadisha Sandhi. Anartha. Prajahati. Anartha. 4. 5.
Putra Pashubhihi
Vruddhim. Putra Pashubhihi. Visarga. Refadisha. Visarga Sandhi. Putra Pashubhihi Vruddhim.
Shreyaha plus Cha plus
Anantyam
plus
Ashnuti. That is not a Sandhi, last one. Shreya plus
Cha.
cha plus here is visarga Shreyas cha anantyam. That is Savanadhira Sandhi. Shreya plus cha. Okay. 8.
7th.
Lokaha anuprasidati. Loko anuprasidati. Purva rupa sandhi. Lokaha visarga.
Which
Lo-
sandhi is this, sir? The Anusara? Anusara?
This is not Anuswara. Purva rupa. O is then a loko, it becomes loko anuprasidati.
8th one, sir.
Bahihi dware. Very simple. Bahihi dwari. Dware, dware, dware. Bahihi dware. Visarga lo. Lopanna visarga. Visarga sandhi. Visarga adesha is there na. Bahihi. Bahis. Bahir dware. Visarga sandhi. Visarga sandhi.
Ah.
Not lopa sandhi.
Yaha loko.
Refa. Visargasya refa adesha.
Yaha loko.
Yaha lok, that is very, yaha becomes yo in visarga, yo lokam. So very simple. Fourth,
Yeah. Purnena vakyena uttarumekata. Anarthaha kidrusham atmavantam prajapati.
so here the whole poem has to be written like this. Yaha mitam bhungte etc. Let them write the whole poem later. 2.
Kaha
Anantyam Shreya Asnute. So replacing kaha, who gets the endless fortune?
జ్ఞాతి
Yaha gnatim daridram deenamaturam anugruhnati saha anantyam Shreya Asnuti. So this also goes like that. Yaha gnatim daridram deenam aturam anugruhnati saha anantyam Shreya Asnuti. 3.
యః దరిద్రం జ్ఞాతిం అనుగృహ్ణాతి సహ కైః వర్ధతే.
One who blesses these people, with what will he be endowed with?
దరిద్రం జ్ఞాతిం
So you can repeat the whole thing. Yaha daridram gnatim anugruhnati saha putra pashubhihi vardhati. Putra pashubhihi vardhati. 4.
యః అమృతం సాక్ష్యం వదేత్ స కథం భూతః కిం
Pashyet. For this you have to repeat the whole poem. Yaha anrutam saksham vadet saha nagare pratiruddha san bahirdware bubukshitaha bhuyasaha amitran pashyet, etc. etc. Right. So take the whole thing from there. 5.
రాజా మనుష్యేభ్యః కథం అర్థాన్ గృహ్ణీయాత్.
So you write out Raja Manushyebhyah katham, take out Yatha Shatpadaha Pushpani Rasam. Pushpani Rakshan, sorry, Madhu Adatte Tatha Arthan Gruhniyat. Yatha, say, keep as it is. Raja Manushyebhyah Yatha Shatpadaha Pushpani Rakshan Madhu Adatte Tatha Arthan Gruhniyat. Last.
లోకః కీదృశం రాజానం అనుప్రసీదతి.
So that one we discussed just now. Lokaha, write same. Tadrusham Rajanam. If you want, you can put. You take Kidrusham opposite Tadrusham, not opposite. Answer as Tadrusham Rajanam Anuprasid. So you opening Lokaha Tadrusham Rajanam Anuprasidati Yaha Chaturvidam Lokam Prasadayati Chakshusha etc. etc. So Atravayam Sthapayamaha Shivam Bhuyat.